If your marketing budget feels like a black hole, here's the truth. You're not failing at tactics, you're missing a strategy. Most SMEs chase trends, dabble in channels, or buy low quality leads. They run faster and stay in the same place. Marketing that works in 2026 is not about more. It's about intentionality and integration. Today, I'll show you 3 strategic shifts we are installing for every CH4B member so that every pound you spend builds predictable, repeatable revenue. Shift 1, intentionality over impressions, the focus test. Stop judging success by impressions, likes, or vanity metrics. They do not tell you if your marketing is working. Only 2 measures truly matter: pipeline quality, revenue contribution. The CH4B approach. We define your ideal customer profile with ruthless precision. If you market to everyone, you convert no one. We focus your limited resources on the buyers most likely to move now, by pain, problem, priority, and purchase triggers. As an actionable tip, do not ask, "Where is my audience?" Ask, "What pain is my audience searching for?" When you understand the pain, you own the solution. Your offers, content, and search terms can use their language, not yours. That aligns marketing with the sales principle of predictable revenue. The focus test. Can you name 1 ICP, 3 core pains, 1 primary offer, and 3 proof assets? If not, you are spreading effort too thin. Shift 2, authority over noise, the content strategy. In a world flooded with AI-generated content, trust is scarce. Features do not sell, authority does. The CH4B approach. We optimize for generative and answer engines. It's GEO and AEO. Your voice, your IP, your solutions become the cited answer. How do you earn that? By publishing consistent, high-value, problem-solving content, not sales pitches. Core assets we use include the Learning Hub, your website, social, and YouTube, which operates as part of the Learning Hub. You can do this too. It educates the market across the messy middle. You prove you understand the problem before you present the fix. As a simple build, pick 1 pain, create a short explainer, add a checklist, add a case study with outcomes, link them together, and then repeat weekly, and authority compounds. Shift 3, integration over isolation, the system test. The biggest waste in SME marketing is the silo. An agency runs social, an internal team runs email, no one owns the system. Chaos. The CH4B approach, we treat marketing as an integrated system tied to streamline and action. Every campaign maps to a stage of the journey and has an owner. Internal alignment, leads route to sales with clear handoffs and timing. Set a service level, every qualified lead contacted within 1 business day. Track conversion velocity from first touch to closed one. And external integration. Need SEO, PPC, or PR? Use specialists inside 1 plan, 1 calendar, 1 set of metrics. 1 brief, 1 dashboard, 1 weekly review. No more random acts of marketing. As a system test, if lead volume doubled next month, would your pipeline handle it without delays? If not, fix the system before you add spend. So here's my summary and the CH4B solution. Effective marketing is structured, intentional, and integrated. If you are struggling, it is not a failure of effort, it is a failure of system. The CH4B advantage. We give you strategy and the ecosystem to execute. Strategy and accountability. Your coach sets direction using the 12 principles blueprint. You get the plan, the cadence, and the scorecard. We provide expert execution. Skip the hiring headache. Get direct access to vetted marketing and advertising expert partners. Pre-vetted quality, no wasted time, no wasted budget. Ready to install a unified, intentional marketing system that drives predictable revenue? Find your structural gaps first. As a next step, stop guessing, start growing. Take the free business growth scorecard quiz, which is linked below.
or speak to our team on 0300 020 4747 or email hello@ch4b.co.uk to schedule your complimentary review.